Thousands of school children from around the country have been trying to solve brain teasers in the annual Christmas challenge set by the UK's intelligence agency GCHQ. Earlier I spoke to GCHQ's chief puzzler Colin. As he works for GCHQ, we shouldn't show his face. Maths teacher Gopal Rao and one of his Year 12 further maths pupils, Amy, from Nottingham Girls High School. I started by asking Colin how GCHQ comes up with them.
It's to inspire interest in STEM subjects and different ways of thinking. The puzzles on the card require different sorts of solving skills, so there's something for everybody. And then it sort of hopefully demonstrates teamwork to bring together all the ideas to find the final puzzle. But it is primarily meant to be fun, and I'm delighted that those little excerpts you played just now show that people are finding it challenging and engaging with it.
OK, so let's talk to our maths teacher, Gopal. You've had a look at them. How did you find them? How did your pupils find them? Were they a real challenge, real brain teasers?
I think so, yes. We did it pretty fast, but that's not because we're special, but because it was exactly as Colin said, it's about teamwork and it's about thinking laterally. And I think lots of the maths we do, lots of the STEM subjects that we do, have right answers, and once you've seen a few of them, you get the idea, you do it over and over again. In this case, it is about getting it wrong, finding a different way, thinking laterally, and you do get it. And that teamwork, that resilience, that ability to innovate, to improvise, to overcome, that's what this does that frankly most exams don't.
OK, so let's ask...
So it is fun and it is exciting.
So let's ask Amy there. Proof is in the pudding. One of those students that these are aimed at. How tough did you find them? And you're studying further maths, so you're obviously pretty smart when it comes to math. Were they a real challenge for you?
They were tricky, but I think, as Mr. Rao said and Colin also, they're all quite different. So we each, in our group of 5, worked on different puzzles, so we all found something we were better at and some things that we struggled more with.
OK, so go on, carry on.
Yeah, so they were tricky, but they weren't like hard.
OK, well, you're obviously very smart. So, Colin, take us through one of them. I mean, hands up, I'm useless at this kind of thing, so I couldn't do any of them. So take us through. We've got an example that you're going to talk us through.
So it's you see 4 clocks, and the question says, can you work out a 4-letter word? So it's reasonable to think that it's one letter per clock. They show 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 1 o'clock and 5 o'clock, but 2 of the clocks have got PM underneath. So you need to think about the fact that it's probably 24-hour time. So if you think it in those terms, you can see they show 20 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 13 o'clock and 5 o'clock. So you have 29, 13 and 5. If you convert them to letters of the alphabet, then the 20th, 9th, 13th and first letters of the alphabet are T-I-M-E, which spells out time, which of course is connected with the fact that the puzzles are clocks.
OK, well, you lost me at o'clock. I have absolutely no idea how you worked that out. Gopal, you're a maths teacher. As I have freely admitted, maths not my strong point, never was. I can't even do my 10-year-old daughter's maths, so this is definitely beyond me. Do you think you kind of have a maths brain or not, or can we all learn to do this kind of thing?
I think that what you just said about not being able to do your own relatively young child's maths is exactly the point, that maths is becoming and can be seen sometimes as being very hard, and either you have it or you don't, and I don't believe that at all.
Amy, this is all about trying to attract people towards joining GCHQ, becoming a spy maybe. And what did you think of it? Do you think there's any appeal in that for you?
I've actually been quite interested in it, and I think it's something I might consider, maybe after looking at finishing my A-levels, hopefully going to university and getting a degree, and then seeing where that takes me.
Are you going to do a maths degree?
No, I would prefer to do something like finance or management and French.
Colin, you may have a new recruit there. How useful are these tests in actually trying to find any new people to join GCHQ, or is it just a bit of a stunt?
We do actually have people that join GCHQ because they first came across us solving some of our puzzles. The puzzle books have attracted a great deal of interest, and we've done puzzles in other places as well. And we know of people that have joined because of the interest in it. So it does work, and as I say, it's a tradition going back to Bletchley Park, where they got in touch with the winners of a crossword competition to see if they wanted to come and join the staff there.
Colin from GCHQ, who remains very much anonymous. Do stay with us here on BBC News. We'll have the weather for you next. Thanks for watching.